All right, so now we're going to do Screencast 2 on the Mousetrap vehicle, dealing with the wheel hubs. And basically, you're going to be making this green object, which will go over the D shaft in the back. Then this object, which will click in over the top of this. Then you're going to make this shape right here, which will go into the front shaft, which is the 1/4-inch threaded rod. Let's see, the first thing you're going to need to do is take these shapes which come off of Thingiverse, and that'll be your basic one. Then you're going to need to create you can just create a cylinder. Mine's a little different, but it doesn't matter. Create a cylinder that is 10.5 by 10.5. Now, one thing that I do when I create cylinders, I'll drag one over, is up here on the sides, I always bring it up to 64 sides, which gives it a much smoother opening. So always do that when you're making your circles, especially in this one, all right? So you're going to have your cylinder that is 10.15 by 10.15 by 20. Then you're going to take a 7.26 and 7.26 opening and place that inside here. And you'll need to align that. Then you can group them. Then you're going to need looks like a 5.18 by 1.55 by 20. And you're going to want to align that right on the outside of the cylinder. And then once you've done that, you can see how it's just really, really close to the outside of the cylinder. And at that point, you'll want to align them to make sure that it's in the center. Then you're going to take that piece and move it over. Looks like 3. So yeah, 4 is too many. So you'll move it over 3 times, where it should just take up a piece of this. Then group that. Now that is ready to go inside of this one. So we can align those. And group. And that will be this piece right here. Then for your piece here, you're going to need a 10.2 by 10.2, and its height is 6.5, and a 6.39 by 6.39, and once again 6.5. And we'll align those. Then it's going to be ready to go inside of here. And it will look like that. And that is this piece right here. And then this piece is off of Thingiverse, and it's already done. Then once you do that, get them aligned really close together so that when you print them off, everything's going to look good.